Hi guys, welcome back. I know I haven't been filming for like quite some time now.
A few moments later.
But anyway, God, I don't know. I moved into a new house, so like I've been trying to make it, you know, a home, and it's just been a lot to keep up with a little bit. You know, I got to get on the right schedule and stuff like that. But I did not want to yap around and just be talking my head off the whole time. I know the lighting isn't great. I know it's kind of bright over here and nothing's over here, but I hope it will be good enough. I really wanted to like switch it up and film outside. I know you'll be able to hear the birds and everything like that, which like I kind of enjoy. I think it's pretty soothing. It might be annoying to you, but I love them. I have two baby birds. They're right in this little bird house. You can't see them. It's behind the fern, but they're so precious. They're so fucking precious. I love them. Okay, so I'm literally like, I've got my little backpack here, and I just packed like all the things I know I'm gonna need for this little makeup tutorial. I don't know. Zach and I are going out to eat, so I was like, why not do a makeup tutorial? So, just to get back in the groove of things. So, I'll bring you in. Okay, so I know this isn't like the best angle, but it'll do. It'll do. Whatever. But I'll just be talking to you while I do my makeup. It's nothing special. Gosh, my hair's a wreck. Anyway, so, yeah, not much has been going on here in the life of Anna. It's just, you know, like, I don't know. I'm gonna go in with my Tarte little, whatever, in Fair concealer. But yeah, I don't know. It's just, it's been an experience, you know, like, try to cover that up. I'm breaking out so bad. I don't know what's going on, but I don't know. Like I said, it's been an experience. I mean, moving during all of like COVID and everything like that, it's been really, you know, it was kind of stressful and really weird and an experience, like I keep saying, but it really has been. It's really been a good time, and at the end of the day, after, you know, everything's said and done, it's a process. It's a process. But I don't know. I'm the worst at talking and doing my makeup. The absolute worst. I wish I could be better about it, but it is what it is. Oh, God. I don't ever do my makeup now. I'm just like, and after you've gotten out of the, you know, like swing of things for a little bit, it's just, it doesn't go on the same. It doesn't look as good as it typically does. It's just weird, you know. But I always start to wear more makeup around like winter and fall and stuff like that. I don't know why, but sorry, my birds are like having a straight like knockout fight. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, so that's kind of what's been going on in our life. I had a dream. Oh my god. I woke up crying. I had a dream about Ghost. That he had... Okay, so we were talking about getting another dog, okay? And I want another cat, but Zach is not with the shits. So, but it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. But, I had a dream, because like I said, we were talking about getting another dog. So I had a dream. Excuse me. God. I had a dream that the dog we got, like, Zach brought it to me. And I was like, whose dog is this? And he was like, it's yours. And I was like, oh my god. And I loved it. It was great. Until it got a hold of Ghost. And literally his ears were bleeding. Like, I don't know what it did to Ghost. But I literally, like, as soon as I saw blood, I was like, okay, first of all, which dog is it coming from? Because that will be a very serious determining factor. And I saw that it was coming from Ghost, and I told Zach, I was like, get that fucking dog out of the house now. Get it out of my face. Or else I will fucking get it out of my face. Because it hurt my dog. It made my dog bleed. I mean, Ghost is literally my child. So, I'll be damned. So then I woke up and I told Zach, I was like, so we're not getting a dog. Throw that out of the window. It's not happening. It is not happening. No dog for you. So, yeah. Needless to say, we will not be getting another dog for quite some time. Now, a kitty, yes, I want a little meow meow. I want a kitten, but Zach is very against a kitten. We'll have one. But he's probably watching this right now, like, sure. And he's gonna come to me, oh, what's your little video about? We getting a cat. This what it's about. Anyway, enough rambling on about Ghost's fucking ears bleeding. Oh my god. Whew. I told him, I was like, get that fucking dog out of this house. Or else I'll fucking kill it. Okay, so there's no covering up that fucking pimple. Gravy. So, then I'm taking my translucent Laura Mercier. Boop. Taking that, and I forgot to show you, you know, I use the same shit that I always use. Excuse me, a wasp. Anyway, used the Infallible. You know the drill. You know what's up. And then, great. I don't have a freaking... I'm just going to use my beauty blender, I guess, to set everything in place. Because for whatever reason, like, before I go to work, like, well, I go to work and I take all my makeup and stuff with me and do it there. So I leave early and get it all done and stuff. But I was looking for it the other day and I was like, where the fuck is my little setting brush? It's in my car. So I've just been too lazy to go out and get it. And I thought I brought it in, but I guess I didn't. So, YOLO. I don't know. Well, now that I look like Casper. But no, legit, like, I've been doing my makeup and I've been fucking hating it. I've been hating it. Like, beyond disgusted. And I don't know why. Like, excuse me, focus. Okay. Is that better? It's just like... there. Anyway, now you can see the hose in the back, but whatever. Then for bronzer, my butter bronzer, you know the fucking drill. I don't know about you, but this is always how I do my bronzer. I always have to pull my little baby hairs up, pull my, like, lift my face up. You see that right there in my ear? I wish. I told Zach I wanted an eyebrow lift. So, like, instead of my eyebrows being down, like, it would be like this. Like, isn't that so fucking cute? I like it. He didn't. He thought it was really fucking stupid. But, whatever. So. Or, like, maybe an eye lift. Wow. This will almost be like a little ASMR makeup tutorial. Oh my god. Trademarked. Okay, that's fine. And I'm just gonna bring it down your fucking neck. Bring it down your neck. Oh, thank you for focusing. Alright, so I was wanting to try, I really liked how, oh my god. Anyway, I was really wanting to do a halo eye because I really liked how it looked. I'm just gonna get a little brush like this. So I had a change of heart. So, I'm sorry, we all know it, but that halo eye was fucking atrocious. So, anyway, basically what I did was just put fawn and, ew, what is that? I did fawn and cover. So, fawn and cover, and I basically mixed those two and just put them, as you can see, like right in here, curved it around and winged it out, I guess, sure. And then did just some Kat Von D black liquid liner, and yeah, that's all I did. So, because I'm simple and now I hate wearing makeup, gang gang. But anyway, sorry, I'm just moving all my shit out of the way because it's like really pissing me off. But anyway, so yeah, so that's the eyes, and now we're gonna do the eyebrows. And since I've never really given you a like eyebrow tutorial, I guess now is the time, and it's really not that long at all. So let me get my brush here. There it is. I've had this brush for God knows how long. It is the Anastasia, what number? Number 12, okay. I've had it for a very long time, sorry, very long time. It's got the little spoolie. I'm not going to show you the spoolie because it's very scary. But first what you'll do, I'm kind of going to speed through this just a little bit. But what I do first is I just brush the hairs how I want them. And then I'm going to go into my Anastasia DipBrow in medium brown. And then I wipe off the excess because This is very pigmented. Let me get a mirror, because I cannot do it without it. Sorry, I keep looking in the monitor thing trying to feel out this. I really like it. It just like looks like that, like a really light lid and then a dark crease. I just think it's really pretty. This side doesn't look the best, and they're not even at all, but it's okay. We all can't be perfect, you know? So, I'm gonna try to do this to where you can see it. But basically, I start off, because you have the most product right now, I start off at the arch, okay? You see, that's what I'm saying. It's a very, very pigmented. So you'll start off at the arch, and then you'll just ever so slightly just wing it out, just like an eyeliner. And then you'll kind of build up to going to the front of your brow, okay, just like that. And around this part, I'll just take my hand like this, and I'll wipe the excess off, okay? And then I'll just take what's ever left and start blending it out from that bottom line that we created. Sorry you could hear all the yees with their huge trucks. Oh, that's not a truck at all. Anyway, idiots. And it's feeding time for the baby birds. Look, can I zoom you in? See it? No, wait, let's see. Where are we at? What can you see? Okay. Oh my god, you could barely see it. Hang on. I'm like, dang it. The mom moved. Okay, whatever. Hateful. Ah. Okay, so where were we? Anyway, the brows. So, that's that brow. I actually really like how this looks. And then I always do this. I take my finger and I just go like that, straight up. So it cuts it off at a square. And then, oh my god, I got the DipBrow on my foot. And then you just do the same with the other side. Sorry, K. So, that's the brows. I wish I could hear. Oh my god, yes. Yes. Look. Okay, she'll come back. Here. There we go. Look! That's the fat boy. That's the big boy. Okay, so we're back. We are here and we are queer. So now I'm just doing my mascara, Better Than Sex. Anyway, here, I'll bring you in for it. Okay, cool. Everything changes once you put mascara on. Like, you're like, ew, this look is so ugly, and then you're like, oh damn, I guess it's not. So that's just the first layer of 20. So while we're waiting on that to dry a little bit, I'm going to use my Morphe setting spray and just spray. Yes, queen. It feels so good. It's hot as balls out here. And I've got a little breeze going. I've got wood-boring bees, so I'm sure, like, I'll be listening back to this and hear them just crawling into the wood. Love it. So, second goat. Let's go. Okay, whatever. And I never do lower lashes ever. I just don't like how it looks at all. And I don't think I have anything for blush. I'll probably put it on after, but that's literally all I do. And then I'll just get some Fenty, what is it? Diamond Milk. That's it. Here. It's not even... Okay, I'll zoom you out too. Not in. Okay. It always looks better when you put your hair down, even though it's 1,000 degrees outside. There you go. Boom. Date night ready, bitch. But yeah, so I'm gonna turn you back to how you were originally. Okay, so I know the lighting is a little off now, but this is it. This is the look. I'll bring you in a little closer so you could see. It's really nothing special. Also, hang on, wait, pause. I saved this just for you. You know the drill, bitch. So, these little fuck ups right here. Let it focus. Hang on. We'll wait. We'll wait. Hello. Okay. Alright, listen. I'm gonna fucking break it. We were so close. Okay, so these little fuck ups. Gone. Gone. Where? Nowhere, bitch. Thank you. Anyway, so look at my pimples. She's beautiful. So, woo, there we go. Anyway. Yes, so I just wanted to show you and kind of update you and talk to you and let you know what's been going on. Look at me, I'm just chilling, laid back, ready to go stuff my fucking belly full of sushi. But, yeah, so, thank you guys for watching. I know it was kind of all over the fucking place. You heard trucks and motorcycles and birds and bees and just me cussing too, you know, it's beautiful. But yeah, so I don't know. Just wanted to keep you guys updated with what's going on and why I haven't filmed as much as I have been or used to. But I'm hoping to get on a better track with recording. I really don't know what to record. Sorry, they're fighting. Are you done? Hey! Anyway, yeah. So, I don't really know what to record. If you have any suggestions, let me know. I know people said eyebrow routine. Already did that just now for you. And I'll link it down below to where you can see like timestamps of like when I shut my fucking mouth and get to the actual thing, and when I do my eyebrows, and you know, the little baby birds. Oh my god, I forgot I filmed that. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Thank you for always watching and supporting and everything that you do. But yeah, I hope to be on a better schedule, and I will try to hold myself to that. But again, last time, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know, give me some suggestions of what I should do next, okay? But anyways, love you guys, stay safe, and wear a fucking mask. XOXO.